Hey, my beautiful family. Welcome back to the channel where your skin dreams come true. Naturally, are you tired of stubborn dark spots, pigmentation, or dull skin? Then today's video is just for you because I'm sharing a powerful DIY skin whitening night cream that's easy to make at home. And the results, oh, they're magical. This isn't just another DIY. This is a result-oriented, potent cream that will help you diminish those dark spots, tackle pigmentation, and unlock the glowing, spotless skin you deserve. This isn't just another DIY, this is a result-oriented, potent cream that will help you diminish those dark spots, tackle pigmentation, and unlock the glowing, spotless skin you deserve. Let's get glowing, shall we? Alright, let's get started with our miracle mixture. Our first star ingredient is something you probably already have in your medicine cabinet. Step 1, Vaseline. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Vaseline for skin whitening? But hear me out. While Vaseline itself doesn't lighten skin, it plays a crucial role here. It forms a protective barrier on your skin, locking in moisture and preventing water loss. This keeps your skin intensely hydrated, supple, and allows our other active ingredients to work their magic more effectively without drying out your skin. It also aids in cell regeneration, which indirectly helps with shedding pigmented cells. It also helps in healing dry and damaged skin. Take 1 tablespoon of Vaseline in a clean mixing bowl. Step 2, Aloe Vera Gel. Aloe Vera is famous for its soothing and healing properties. It's packed with compounds like aloe and aloecine, which have been studied for their ability to inhibit tyrosinase activity. That's the enzyme responsible for melanin production. So it directly contributes to reducing hyperpigmentation and dark spots, while also calming any irritation and promoting new, healthier skin growth. Aloe vera is a powerhouse of antioxidants and vitamins. It helps soothe the skin, fade pigmentation, and adds a natural glow. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of this incredible gel to our Vaseline. Step 3, coconut oil. Our third ingredient is a natural wonder, coconut oil. Coconut oil is a fantastic emollient, deeply moisturizing your skin and improving its overall texture. But beyond hydration, it contains beneficial fatty acids and antioxidants that help protect your skin from environmental damage. While not a direct lightener, its nourishing properties can contribute to a more even skin tone and a healthy, natural glow, which makes your skin appear brighter and more vibrant. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and mix well. Step 4, vitamin E oil. Now for a powerful antioxidant boost, vitamin E oil. You can use oil from capsules or a liquid bottle. Vitamin E is a renowned antioxidant that fights free radical damage, which can lead to premature aging and pigmentation. It's also excellent for scar healing and skin repair. By helping your skin regenerate and protecting it from further damage, vitamin E contributes significantly to fading dark spots and promoting a clearer, more youthful complexion. This is a skin brightening hero. It reduces dark spots, fine lines, and gives your skin a youthful glow. Now add 1 spoon of vitamin E oil and mix it well. Step 5, glycerin. Glycerin is a powerhouse when it comes to hydration. It's a humectant, meaning it draws moisture from the air and locks it into your skin. This results in incredibly plump, soft, and supple skin. Well-hydrated skin not only looks healthier, but also functions better, which can aid in the natural shedding of pigmented cells and overall skin renewal, contributing to a brighter appearance. Half tablespoon of glycerin. Step 6. Rose water. Rose water is not just for its lovely scent. It's a fantastic natural toner and balancer for your skin. It has anti-inflammatory properties, helps maintain the skin's pH balance, and provides a gentle, refreshing boost. It also helps in emulsifying our cream, giving it a lighter, more luxurious texture and contributes to that healthy, rosy glow. Rose water refreshes the skin, tightens pores, and adds that natural, radiant glow. And finally, add 1 tablespoon of rose water and mix it well. We need to thoroughly combine these ingredients until we get a smooth, creamy, and consistent texture. Start by gently stirring, breaking down the Vaseline. As you mix, you'll see the ingredients start to emulsify and transform into a beautiful, homogeneous cream. Keep stirring. The Vaseline will start to incorporate with the liquids and you'll get that lovely cream consistency. And there you have it. Look at this gorgeous, rich, homemade skin whitening cream. It smells amazing too, thanks to the rose water. Now that your beautiful cream is ready, let's talk about storage. Because this is a homemade product with no harsh preservatives, it's essential to store it correctly to maintain its freshness. Transfer this cream into a clean, airtight container or a small glass jar. You can store it in a cool place or even in the refrigerator. It stays fresh for up to 10 to 12 days. So how do we use this amazing cream to get those glowing, spotless results? It's simple, but consistency is key. Apply this cream every night before sleeping. Take a small amount and massage it gently onto clean skin using upward strokes. Focus on areas with dark spots, pigmentation, or dullness. Leave it overnight and let the magic happen while you sleep. Important tip: sun protection. Whenever you're working on skin whitening or treating pigmentation, sun protection is non-negotiable. You'll start seeing visible results in just 7 to 10 days with regular use. You'll likely notice a significant improvement in your skin's hydration and texture. It will feel softer, smoother, and look more plump and healthy. You might also notice a subtle improvement in your overall skin tone, with a reduction in redness or dullness. Skin will look visibly brighter, dark spots will start fading, and your natural glow will come alive. It's gentle, non-sticky, and works like a charm, especially for dry and combination skin types. So, there you have it. Your very own homemade skin whitening cream that truly works to erase dark spots, fight pigmentation, and give you that beautiful, glowing, spotless skin you've been dreaming of. Keep in mind that individual results can vary based on the severity of your pigmentation and your skin type. But with dedication, this cream will help reveal your most radiant, spotless complexion. So my lovelies, if you're ready to say goodbye to dark spots and hello to glowing, radiant skin, try this cream and feel the difference. Let me know in the comments how it worked for you, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty remedies. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of my new videos. Stay glowing, stay beautiful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Take care.